Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Vanessa and this is my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a slime skit, not a slime scam or anything. It's just fixing slime skit. So yeah, and ordering slime, whatever, I don't know. Yeah, so let's get started. Alright, so today we have a few orders. Let's check them out though. So, let's see. Alright, so. Hi, welcome to Slimatory. How can I help you? Sure. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. And. Alright. Would you like any extras? Okay. Perfect. Alright. Bye. Thank you. We have an order. I'll take care of it. Let's see what we have in stock right now. Okay, so she wanted slime. Blue foam. Here's blue foam. 2 blue. How many blue foams? 2. Okay. She wants a lot of foam. And blue butter slime. Okay. And pink diamond slime. Oh, 1 left. Alright, and she wanted that miniature. So for extras, I'll give her, let's look at what these are. And then I'll give her an extra slime. I'll give her a little puppy. Alright, I've got my activator, and let's start out with this one. Disclaimer, we're stopping the skit real quick. Pause. If you hear noise in the background, that's my parents watching and my brother's watching Wheel of Fortune. So, let's pray they don't go crazy. Back to the skit. Alrighty. So this one, ooh, this one's pretty melted. Let's see what we can do. Let's get it all out. Okay. So this is pretty sticky. I mean, it's not too sticky, but we're just going to do a little bit. Alright, that's good. Okay. It's getting a little bit sticky, but I don't think it'll be too bad. Let's just put a little bit more in. I don't want to overactivate it because it's a real nice slime. Ding, ding. Hi, welcome to Slimatory. How can I help you? Oh, hi, you again. More? Okay, that will be totally fine. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye. So she wants more foam beads in one of the slimes. So I will do both of them. And then I'll see which one I think has more or which one has less. I think this one has more, but I don't know. We'll just check in. I'll just try looking later. Alrighty, so we're going to do, oh no. This one looks like it's pretty sticky if I do say so myself. Let me stop leaving them in containers. I mean, not leave them in containers, just like leaving them in boxes. Now on to this one. Oh. This one's definitely the one that needs more foam beads. Well, this one doesn't look like it needs fixing. Hope you guys enjoy this video.